Okay, are you ready, my dear? You have the pen and the notebook with you. All right?
Yes.
What is the prefix increment operator? My dear students, if we do write the increment operator, if we do place the increment operator before the variable, okay, this is what known as prefix increment operator. Okay, my dear? Like example, what will be done in this example? Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, his current value is what?
55.
Do write this one.
Fine.
Forget about whatever you have done earlier on. Begin with a new journey. All right? Do write. What is the current value of A is there?
55.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Now,
Yes.
another statement is over here for that is C out statement. But prefix increment operator we have used before, that is we used prefix increment operator with the variable A. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Now,
The double sign is before A.
yes, what will be done? First of all, the variable will be incremented by 1, and then the value of the variable will be used. Okay, my dear? Now do tell me, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what will be the output?
56.
Do I lock it? Are you sure?
I think so.
Think so or not? You must be deadly sure. Now, I'm going to make use of your brain. All right? Mr. Ibrahim Bilal.
G.
Now do tell me. Now again we are using C out plus A. What its
Now
output will be?
it must be the real value of A. 55.
Why? Now have you written, first of all, I'm
Just
taking you back. What have you written earlier on? Is what
55.
value is there? 55. Okay, when you are going to execute this C out statement, my dear.
We add 1.
Okay, and then display it. What will be the output?
56.
And what is the current value of A is there?
Now it's 56 again.
Do write into your notebook. All of the students do write. Now the current value of A has become what?
56.
That is 56, my dear. All right. Now we have used over here C out plus A. That is
Now again,
prefix operator. What will be the output?
we will add another. We will add 1.
Yes, what will be the output?
57.
57. Okay, my dear.